Yo guys, how's it going? Hope you're good and welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video I'll be going through some tips that you guys can use to make your fragrances last a little bit longer on your skin or your clothes. And I mean, I'm no fragrance expert and this is just me, what I've been trying so far. And I've been using these tips of mine for some time now, and I do see the benefit of using them, especially when I'm not able to carry my fragrances around all the time for those special events. So I really need these kind of like tricks, like hacks, where I could just make my fragrances last longer on my skin or my clothes. And before we get into the video, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and let's get into the video, guys. Tip number 1, guys, this is what I do first. So I want to spray on the main areas, so on my both shoulders, on my arms, maybe on my chest as well. I don't want to put too much, but depending on the occasion you might have to put a little bit more. You can do like 2 or 3 sprays on each area, and when you do walk by someone, you're leaving a nice scent trail and basically keep people confused of like, oh my god, what's just happened here, like who's this person that walked past that smells very nice. So just making sure you cover the basic points, like the pulse points, and you should be good. Tip number 2, guys, always make sure you're having a bath or a shower every day, so that you're clean, and when you do apply fragrances, they can basically perform better throughout the day. Because if you're not going to be clean, you ain't going to get the full performance out of the fragrance, no matter how expensive the fragrance is or how good it smells. Tip number 3, guys, so what you could do is, if you got like a Vaseline or a unscented lotion, so I'm using Aveeno over here, and apply on your pulse points, on your wrist or on the back of your hand, even behind your ears or on your neck, and just spray your fragrance on it. And what you do is just let it settle, and the oils in these in the Vaseline and the unscented lotion, it basically traps the molecules of the fragrance and just helps to basically make the fragrance last a bit longer throughout the day. It may work for some people, it may not, but you could always try this. Tip number 4, guys, is using a talcum powder. Now the one I have in front of me, it's by Yardley London, and I got it back from my home country. It was a bit cheap over there, and what basically this does is it absorbs the sweat. So this is a deodorizing one, and it's got a very nice fresh scent to it. So it absorbs the sweat when you're sweating a lot throughout the day, and it's just gonna hold on to it, like where you will not smell your sweat, or you will not smell the BO as much as you probably would do without having this on. And after applying this on, you put your spray on or your aftershave on, and then you should be getting the benefit of this, where you'll see that your aftershave is not getting mixed with your BO or your body scent or anything like that. So yeah, do give it a try and see how it goes, and let me know in the comments below as well how it went for you. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you've got any questions, please comment down below. I will try to help you out. And also let me know if you have ever tried these tips before. If you did, brilliant. I mean, has it worked for you? You can let me know about that as well. But yeah guys, that's it for today. If you've got any other questions related to something different, not apart from this video, please also comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer that as well. And yeah, as always, before we go, please hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit the notification bell on, so you can be alerted for future uploads. And as always, guys, have a nice day and peace.